Folks, St. Paul Steam here with my big, beautiful Wilesco D28. The way you can tell a 28 from a 24 is the second tiered up here. The 24s will be laying right here on the platform. And then you have this platform and this platform. So, yeah, that's a step up. You add this middle riser here for 28. They don't make these anymore. They haven't made them quite a while. This one goes back from what the original owner said. He got it in the 70s, early 70s, so that's how far she goes back. And she runs really well. The heater says it's a 600 watt, but at 110 volts it produces about 770 watts, so that's plenty enough for that boiler. The boiler's not actually as big as that shroud is, but it's still decent size. But this one runs a treat. It really does. Very quiet. Runs either direction equally well. Let's take a little closer look at it. You can also tell a 28 by 4 portholes in the boiler. A Wilesco D32 will have 5. Back to the 28. Very tickled to get this. You don't see them coming up very often. It's got a metal tray, a gray stamped, gray painted base. It just runs beautifully. Size on these things are quite impressive. And it's an American version. Got a pretty small cord. I did just a little bit of work to it to get it up to snuff. It didn't have the safety valve weight. The guy I got it from said he ran it. I don't know how he did without the weight. Said he didn't have it. Must have whistled like crazy. Let's try that whistle. Yes sir, she works. I did polish up the boiler a little bit and the rail. Not much else really. And I cleaned out the boiler. It really didn't have hardly any debris in it. It was very clean. It had been stored properly. Anyway, thanks for looking, folks. As always, I appreciate it. Well, let's go D28. It's hard to get it all in there. Right now we have it running on 200 watts. That's enough. Got a manometer here. Boiler registering everything. Really pretty low pressure. I'm taking it easy on it. That's so quiet. Let's see what she'll do. Just ticking over. Alright, thanks for looking, folks. As always, I appreciate it. Bye now.